Good morning, panelists. My name is Franz Akwajeje. My co-author is Samuel MS. We are here to present a topic titled Alternative Mapping of Electric Power Distribution, a case study. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Hello? You can see the screen?
Yes. Good.
Okay. Frequent power outage in the Nigeria distribution system have become a recurrent decimal, and it is tagged as one of the challenges to be tackled. These outages need to be nipped on the board if the blackout in the network is going to be reduced to the barest minimum. From statistics, we have found out that 80% of consumer outages is due to system fault. And if this needs to be reduced to the barest minimum, outage management needs to be managed efficiently. Therefore, designing the right of way is a significant part of electrical power system. The application of engineering and surveying during design or modernization of power system is a critical factor. GIS software is a major technique in which we can visualize the entire network and see where there is a fault occur, so that it can ease rapid for outage management. Like we can use it for the network asset management, high power tension. Although the GIS-based techniques is a kind of a software that can create a map for the network and create and visualize the entire network and see where fault occur in the system for easy attention. And this was deployed to the distribution network in Ogborikoko in Nigeria, Delta State. Now, for a system to be efficient, there are various things need to be put in place. Proper project planning, feed reconnaissance, mosaicing, and ground truthing, extraction of Google entry map. This is what we use in that GIS techniques that I'm telling you, which is shown in the figure 1. This is showing the part of the study area on Google Map. You can see from the Google Map, this is the area we are working on. The DPPA is called Data Property Authority in Delta State, Nigeria. And this is the Google Map showing the entire network. Now, for the system to be work, we have to need database design. For you to carry out a GIS network, to use the GIS technique effectively, you have to carry out a database design. And this design are classified into 3. We have the conceptual design, the local design, and the physical design. And the conceptual design, there are various questions we need to ask. One of the questions, what is the analysis that are important to the utility? Identifying the required graphical layout of the system. Then the next one, after able to get the data from the feed, what you need to do is to plot your data on the map. And the step-by-step which we use to plot the network is shown in the screen. Then the next step we need to do is to generate map for the network. When we generate map for the network and do the analysis, it will help the technicians and the customer representative to assess the network in case there is fault, or there is fault somewhere, or there is outage somewhere, and the technician can easily respond to it easily. Then the next one is electric utility map. This map is where we show the area of the various mapping. Electric facility map, which shows the facility mapping of the facility. Then we have the main line switching diagram, which map on the entire line that report on the line if there is broken line or broken circuit in the network. We also have the cycle map as well, which shows the entire cycle of the network. Then we have the service territory map, which also support for communication, marketing, sales, and also help the human resources and operation. Then we have the report section. In this GIS techniques, the Geographical Information System, they have a report section, which reports to the system, take report from the network and give it to the technician or the manager of the network to see what is happening. And there are various reports in the network. We have the poll report. This poll report helps to summarize customer service that are out of the network. If there are customer service out of the network, where is the position? What happened? Why are they out of the network? For easy management. And we also have the street light report for security. If there is a fault in the security light, where does it happen? Where is the location? Where is the problem? And the consumers or the customer also have, or the user have a place where they can report where there is a fault for easy arrest to that fault. And this is showing the poll report in our figure 3. Figure 3 is showing the poll report that show you can see Ibori Road where there is a fault. You can see Andy Road here in the network, which is show if you look at your left hand side, you see the electric pole report. You see that is it a steel pole, is it a woody pole, is it a concrete pole that have a fault? It will show you. And this helps the technician in the network to manage the outage system and fault location. And this show you the street lights map, which show is there a fault, where is the fault happen, where is the location, where is the street, is that street light having a fault, and it helps the technician to quickly address and arrest that fault. The outage management and load management report. In this report, the public outage report show the public is a report that give the network manager how many customers are in service and how many percentage of the customers are out of service and why are they out of service. Is it due to fault? And if it is due to fault, where is the location? This report helps the network manager to address that fault. We also have demand and outage management report. This also helps our network and also the outage report. Why are those outages occurring? Is the demand more than the power supply? If it is more than the power supply, what can we carry out load management in order to forestall outages? The geographical approach and GIS technology understand data in various ways in the network. It helps to recognize the relationship, the pattern, and the trend in the form of GIS-based map, globe, report, and chart. To integrate common database operations such as query, statistical analysis, make it different from other traditional information system. Analysis benefit offer highest method in helping and recurrent at minimum. Thank you. These are some of the references in the network. In the research work. Thank you for listening.